Welcome to another CMD tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to go back in CMD. All right, type in CMD to open up the command prompt. Down here, as you can see, we are currently using the users and Ryan C file folder or the user profile. All right, what we're going to do to go back to C or to the root directory, just type in cd, then backslash. All right, once done, just hit on enter. Now we are using the root directory. Now another example here, I'm going to type in cd, then this file folder right here. Then I'm going to hit on enter. As you can see, we are currently using the users Ryan C file user profile, then OneDrive, desktop right here, and the will folder. If you just want to go back one file folder, for example, you wanted to use just desktop, not the file folder right here. You wanted to use all the desktop folders or files. But what we're going to do is just type in cd, then 2 dots, 1, 2. Hit on enter, and as you can see here, we are now using the desktop directory, and that's basically how you do it. For example, you're currently on the folder. Now you're using the D folders. Maybe you have games right there. I'm sorry, cd games. You are in the games folder on your drive D. Again, just type in cd to go back, hit enter, and you are now on the root directory. And that's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.